Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make strawberry angel food cake. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need one package of angel food cake mix, and you want to be sure it's the kind that says just add water. Then you need a 21-ounce can of strawberry pie filling. And then for garnish, if you want to use some fresh strawberries cut into slices and some whipped topping, that's totally up to you. Let's go ahead and get started. We're going to preheat our oven to 350 and spray a 9x13 baking dish with cooking spray. In a large bowl, we're going to combine our angel food cake and our strawberry pie filling. And I'm just going to beat that on low with an electric mixer just to break up the big pieces. Alright, that is nice and mixed, and it looks and just smells amazing. So next we're going to pour this into our prepared pan. Alright, I just moved that into my 9x13 baking dish. And we're going to get that into our preheated oven for 35 minutes. My cake just came out of the oven and it's really poofy, but it's starting to deflate. And I did let mine cook an additional 5 minutes, so it was 40 minutes total. So now we're going to just let this cool off, and then we will see what taste tester thinks. Okay, my cake has completely cooled, and you can see, I mean, it really deflated. But that is what it is supposed to look like. So I cut up my strawberries here, and I just put a little bit of sugar over them, and they've been sitting in the refrigerator for about an hour. So let's go ahead and get this assembled and see what taste tester thinks. All right, we have a nice piece here for taste tester. Let's see what he thinks. Hey, taste tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. They never mind. Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Like, subscribe.
Bye.